This is how you're gonna start living a holistic lifestyle in 2024. The simple, practical way, one step at a time. I made this face wash and I absolutely love it. Step 1, download Think Dirty or EWG app. This app allows you to scan the products that you're using so you can see which ones that you want to swap out right away. Here's an example.
The lower the number, the better.
I'm gonna start with the shower first because these products are usually more affordable and easier to swap out, and plus you go through them much faster. For example, if your shampoo is filled with synthetic fragrance and other ingredients you want to avoid, you're gonna finish using it and then we're gonna swap it out with a cleaner option when you're done with the bottle. This makes it simple and affordable and not overwhelming, and also not wasteful. Go through your whole entire shower routine, and then after that we're gonna look at the synthetic fragrances around your home. We're getting rid of all those air fresheners. I'm gonna simplify it and just swap out one product at a time. I'm gonna find a cleaner store-bought option or a DIY, which I'm a huge fan of. It's a honey mask and it smells so good. This is what it looks like. I did a whole course to help you detox your whole home and beauty care routine. There's a heavy focus on DIY solutions because it's the most affordable and easiest way to swap things out, but I also included all my favorite non-toxic brands. At the end of the course, you'll be able to make your own skincare routine, make your own non-toxic cleaning, laundry, bubble bath. It provides all the tools that you'll need to detox your whole entire house. Download it now and start living a non-toxic lifestyle in 2024.